Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 5th of November, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Jupiter Bach will bring a new assembly plant for wind turbine nacelles to Brighton, Colorado. The Jupiter Bach Brighton plant is expected to generate 15 new jobs, with plans to expand its operations as it grows in the renewable energy market. It will be the second new facility installation within the United States in the last 2 years. Its plant will be situated in the middle of the U.S. wind turbine corridor. It will offer services to major customers with improved efficiency and shorter lead times. Costa Rica is moving forward with a new stage in the modernization of its electricity system with a total investment of $315 million. Of that investment, $200 million is financed by the Inter-American Development Bank. The project aims to consolidate a more reliable, efficient supply aligned with the country's decarbonization goals. It was approved at the end of October, and it aligns with the goal of reaching a 100% renewable matrix by 2030. The Chilean Association of Renewable Energy and Storage presented its Programmatic proposal, 2026 through 2030. The proposal proposes a roadmap to strengthen the competitiveness of the country and move towards a safe and resilient matrix. It is based on renewables and storage through 5 axes: electrification of consumption, regulatory modernization, promotion of storage, strengthening of transmission, and the simplification of permits. Renewable energy plants in Portugal produced enough power to meet 68% of the country's electricity demand in the first 10 months of 2025. That is a slight decrease from the 72% figure in the same period last year. Hydropower and wind made the largest contributions, accounting for 26% and 24% of the total power demand, respectively. In October alone, renewable power generation supplied 50.2% of domestic consumption. After vetoing the revised act on onshore wind farms, Poland's President Karol Nawrocki decided to approve the amended bill on offshore wind energy. It is intended to eliminate investment barriers and facilitate auctions. The act enables the publication of digital maps of renewable energy potential, which will identify the most valuable areas for locating specific types of installations. Eventually, they will make possible the creation of areas for accelerated renewable energy development by local governments, the ministry added. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.